What word is this? First. Next. Then. Last. I use these words to help me put them in order. Put my morning routine in order. Look, let's count how many things I do in the morning.
1, 2, 3, 4,
5, 6, 7, 8.
You do 8 things in the
Show me with your fingers how many things I do. I want to make sure that we all can count. 8. Good job. So, listen closely. This is where you guys are going to be showing me that you know how to put things in order. Let's see who's listening, and we'll get to practice first. I have these cards called sequence cards. Riley, and I have these sequence cards, Jonathan. Look at these. And it's telling me a story, but are there words on here? No, there wasn't words here when I told you. I just told you the story, and you helped me put it in order. There were little cues at the bottom, but there are no cues here. You have to look at the picture and put all of these in order. So I'm gonna pick someone. Kaden Bell, will you be my partner? Okay, can you stand up for 1 second? We have how many cards? Count with me.
1, 2.
How many cards do I have? 6. So I have 6 cards, thank you. And they are all showing, what does it look like? What do these pictures look like? If you could kind
They
of.
look like they're like baking they're baking gingerbread.
Look, can you hold up these 3? Look, they're kind of upside down. They're all out of order. It's okay, they're out of order. But he kind of told you what they were doing. They're baking. They're baking cookies. And it's your job. You're going to work with your group. Remember, we've been learning how to work together with people. You're going to work with them to put this story in order. And once you put it in order, you're going to write out what you think was happening. You're going to retell the story to somebody. So if I'm working with Kaden, we're going to let's look at our pictures. What do we think happened first? What do we think happened first? Let's look. What do you think first? What do you have to do first? Okay, so Kaden said out of all of our pictures, he thinks that if I was going to start baking cookies, I'd be mixing things first. Could that happen?
Yes.
Yes. So he thought that. And then we're going to say, what do we think happens next, Heavenly? Next. And you're going to put what you think happened next. So we thought maybe they'd roll out the dough after they mixed it. Maybe. So we're going to do that all until all 6 are in order. And then you're going to take a piece of paper. Thank you, Kaden. You're going to take a piece of paper and you're going to write out a story. But what if we don't agree on something? Can someone tell me how I would fix that? Raise your hand and tell me how to fix that. If Kaden thinks this is first and I don't think it's first, how could I fix it? Quincy, what could we do?
You can fix it by if you already put in the place, you could switch it if he changed your mind.
Good job. Quincy said that if we disagree, we can move these. We can move these because these are cards. And once we move them, we can find a place for it. So let's see who's sitting on their bottom.